in the background for this video.
I'm just going to point out there is an enemy galaxy somewhere behind Charlie.
Good.
At this point.
Really? Good, that means
just in case you get
enemy pirates
by a third one.
That means
think about the galaxy pilot, he seems too.
Okay, guys. Get set. We are starting in 10 seconds.
Who's our pilot in?
This needs the pirate song from Monkey Island 3.
Alpha 9 is still down here, waiting for the galaxy to drop down so I jump on board.
Wait, Alpha 9? Wait, you are a medic.
You can't be a medic, you gotta be light assault.
Yeah, you're not allowed to heal everyone.
Right.
You're not a proper pirate, man.
Medic pirate?
He thinks like me, I like that. Is there anything I've got?
Okay, guys. Best of luck to you all. Ships ahoy!
Preserve ammo, guys. Pick your targets.
Wait, you got.
Don't try until you see the whites of their eyes.
So you got a medic and you outnumber us at the same time? Dude.
Hold.
I can't see them.
I'm scared.
You're scared. What kind of
Last
pirate?
man standing.
Single file, damn
New
it.
pirates ahead.
Hey guys, Bravo Squad, try look at the sun, it's really pretty.
No fair, we're getting blinded.
We tried to kill them.
I call
Look at the sun.
They got no sails.
Oh, I see him.
They got
They
no
have star
sails.
advantage.
How would they
Very
present
nice.
Pirate flag spotted in the horizon. Due east.
Yar, we're
This
not
is
winning.
protect your altitude. It's
Hold
565.
Are they higher than us? I like the fact I'm actually keeping up with you guys despite running around on the ground.
Well, you know, technically we're running as well.
I might
Get away,
actually
you
get-
lad crab.
I get the feeling I might make it there before you guys.
Enemy sighted.
Oh, I see them.
They're shooting! They're shooting!
Oh yeah, guys in front.
Fire, pirates! Fire!
Pick your target.
Fire at the left, fire at.
Get them landlubbers.
Spread out.
Oh, what?
To the left! Oh, we got one!
Alright, you and the knife fight on the floor, you fight on the floor.
Continue
Oh,
fighting.
are you dead?
I think we're killing them.
Out of ammo already, this is ridiculous.
Fire at the left.
When in lane range, we have knives.
Oh, there goes another.
Too fast.
Grenade!
Oh, did that grenade land?
Who's throwing grenades?
Oh.
Fire that's out.
Wait, who do we stab?
I'm out of ammo,
Fuck, here's the knife.
So who do we have left?
Just doing it.
We have an enemy.
Alpha Bravo is still
We
out.
knife everyone.
Yes. Alpha and Bravo are the winning pirates.
No, there's also people from Charlie. Skrillex is from Charlie. And he's been killing you guys.
Stab him! Stab him now! Run him through!
I didn't know who was on my team, so I just killed
Yes,
everyone.
I don't trust you!
Did you guys actually board each other's galaxies?
Yeah.
I think that was the first I did it. We ran out of ammo before we actually got in range.
That went for twice. And then I was confused on which one I came from.
Alpha and Bravo pirates, you are victorious. Congratulations.
We had the sun
Once
just
once you got onto the other galaxy, you have no idea who to stab.
We had the sun
Grenade
in our
actually
eyes.
landed on the
That's not
galaxy.
fair.
Yes.
Well, this is
threw-
very nice. I was still on
threw
top of that one.
underneath the galaxy as I was falling off. I'd never actually thought it would land on it.
I jumped to the other and then I jumped back.
Fight to the death, Delta. Bring your bayonets.
I call sail hacks. No sails.
Be right back.
I
I had to bring them up. I got water in my eyes, not fair.
Who's cutting onions?